In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a mood board in Milanote, which is a super easy way to organize your ideas visually. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And of course, you want to make sure that you are on the home page because this is where you can find the tools that we need to create a mood board. So, go to the board section. Drag the new board on the interface, and of course you can give your board a name. For example, we are going to rename it as mood. Okay, double click on it, and what will happen is on the bottom right corner you can choose a template. Of course, you can simply go to the more template and type in mood. As you may notice, there are a lot of options for the mood board, from craft, project, mood board, novel, visual art, motion design, fashion, graphic. Basically, there is a lot. Now, we're gonna choose for something like this one for now and click the keep example content and use this template. All right. Once you've done that, you can drag all your images evenly so that it's nice and look and neat. And matter of fact, you can also add your own images by going to the left side panel. If you want to edit an image right here, click on it. Once you have added your image, you can place that image accordingly to your mood board. Okay? And then, of course, once you've done that, you can share it to your client, your team member, and you can export it on different file formats. And basically, that's how you create a mood board in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.